It's me, Iya. Your apo number... Hindi ko na po matandaan kung pangilan akong apo. Um, I'm sorry I couldn't be there for your birthday this year. Bawi na lang po ako sa mga susunod na taon. um, I just wanna say that I appreciate everything that you have done for this family. Yung mga kwento nyo po, yung mga reminders nyo, I've always carried it with me. And I hope this year brings you peace, joy, and I hope you find time to do the things that you love. Hopefully, makarecover na po kayo soon. So yeah, happy birthday again, Mami Be, and I love you. Let's celebrate you today. I'm with you virtually. Bye-bye po.
Happy birthday po, Mami Be.
Enjoy your special day and ingat parate.
Ingat po.
We love you, Mami.
Happy birthday, Mami Be. I love you.
Happy birthday po, Mami Be. Sana po hindi niyo pa po napapansin yung pa-surprise nila Tito Hill, nila Mami po sa'yo. Sana po mag-enjoy po kayo ngayong taon sa birthday nyo, and wishing you good health po palagi, and sana po huwag po kayo magsawa magbigay ng guide sa aming mga apo nyo, and ngayon lang po, more birthdays to come po, and thank you po sa lahat. Mami Be, happy birthday po ulit.
Hi, Mami Be. Happy 77th birthday. I wish you all the best, a longer life, and thank you for your endless love, care, and wisdom, and for being the glue that bonds this family together. See you later.
Birthday, great grandma. Thank you for protecting. Thank you for showing us love. Thank you for comforting us when we are sad. Thank you for giving us your love and all of your love to me and my whole family. Thank you for helping me learn to be a good boy and to love one of another. And I hope you have a nice birthday, yummy cake, and I love you, more than all of the stars in the sky. I wish you a very exciting, happy birthday, and I wish that you will be happy, and I hope you are cured dun sa surgery mo dati. Sana hindi ka na maa-aksidente. Ayaw ka po namin masaktan. Ayaw ko po namin masyadong masaktan or masasakit. Ayaw din po namin ikaw aksidente. Thank you po sa lahat ng binibigay niyo po sa amin. Thank you po sa mabuti pong lolo, good po na lolo. Thank you din po sa mga children niyo ang tulong sa akin para po matulungan po ako ng mga anak mo po. Mabuti ka pong nanay. Sana po din na po kayong mag-away ni Daddy Big. Tapos na. Love you.
Happy birthday, Mami Be. Thank you for your endless love, wisdom, and warmth. You are the heart of our family. And I am so grateful for you every single day. Wishing you joy, good health, and all the love you truly deserve. And we love you so much.
Hi, Mami Be. happy birthday! I'm sorry hindi ako makakapunta sa birthday mo ngayon, but know this that I'm always with you in here. I wish you good health, more birthdays to come, peaceful life. Basta enjoy mo lang ang buhay mo. Deserve mo yan. Okay? Be happy. Okay? Happy birthday again. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mommy Bear! More blessings to come!
Hi, Mami Bear. Happy birthday po. More birthdays to come po. God bless. Love you.
Happy 77th birthday, Ma'am Be. I love you po. More birthdays to come and lang po.
Happy birthday po, Mami Be.
Wish po namin for you is more birthdays to come po and more shopping with us.
We hope that you will stay healthy, stay young at heart, and stay beautiful. We love you po.
See, Mama. Happy birthday to you. See, Mama.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mommy Bear.
Happy birthday, Mommy Bear. We love you.
Hi, Mommy Bear! Happy birthday! Balita ako may bago ka na namang house. Super blessed mo talaga. Wish for you is more birthdays, good health, and more blessings. You deserve it all. I love you! Mwah.
Mommy, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. And don't forget, you are the queen. Love you.